Slender. Thin and delicate, small in amount or degree.
Long, slender neck.
Yeah.
You are slender and elegant in the distance, but up close you are round and fleshy.
Surpass. To do or be better than.
There are too many talented people who are willing to work hard, and a buttload of morons who are untalented who are more than willing to surpass you.
And in 2010, thin film is going to surpass crystalline silicon.
Vast. Extremely large.
And the vast majority of Indians, mostly Hindus like yourself, were brought here to work the mines and harvest the crops.
Chopper was my first lesson in the vast difference between myth and reality.
Doubt. Not being certain about something.
And I have no doubt in my mind that they're going to be asking us questions about our work.
And frankly, you are, without a doubt, my most incompetent employee.
Capacity. The total amount that can be contained or produced.
But the result appears to be a total collapse of the enemy's capacity to fight.
An ability to understand complex emotions and a capacity for empathy.
Penetrate. To move into or through something.
Trick is to synchronize a kick that can penetrate all 3 levels.
Radar reports 2 unknown tracks are penetrating the Alaskan air defense zone.
Pierce. To go into or through something, making a hole in it.
Please, I'm sorry. Just please, I'm sorry. You're right in my ear and piercing my ears, okay?
He said the skin is too thick to be pierced from the outside.
Accurate. Correct, exact, and without any mistakes.
Would it be accurate to say you were looking for anything negative about the president?
There have been some recent developments in my claim for reimbursement, and I'd like to represent myself as accurately as possible.
Microscope. A device that uses lenses to make very small objects look larger.
Looks like we're under the microscope here, so let's be very systematic and subtle in what we do. No cowboy stuff.
This could be a microscope or anything.
Grateful. Showing or expressing thanks.
I understand what you did for me, and I want you to know I am grateful.
Mr. Pond, I need you to know that I'm so grateful for what you've done for me.
Cautious. Careful to avoid danger or risks.
All right, they're cautious about absorbing 100 members, but so are we.
You're so cautious. I'm more of a risk taker.
Confident. Being certain of your abilities or having trust in people, plans, or the future.
Sir,
If you give me the chance, I am confident that your residents will appreciate the difference.
You're being paid to protect her. And I'm confident that you'll do that.